Hello everyone, Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary at straydog.org. Still going strong today after 31 years at the shelter, still adopting out formerly stray dogs. Formerly stray dogs. And we're still going, everything's working out good at the shelter, and also known as Straydog Billy on my YouTube channel, where today Aaron and I are going to do another song for you. But first, please, everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats. This is the only thing that we've got to do that is the most important thing in the world, is to spay and neuter our dogs and cats so we don't have to kill them. Because in the shelters, they're killing them, 2,000 per day last year, which added up to 730,000 dogs and cats, and that's a terrible tragedy. And it can be stopped if we can get everybody on board to spay and neuter their pets, and share this video with others to try to get more and more people on board. And
adopt from an animal shelter.
Adopt from an animal shelter to try to save as many lives as you can.
Or stray dog.
Yeah, and
there's low-cost spay and neuter clinics.
Yes.
At the city shelters, and also if you Google it, there may be one in your area.
Yes, so please everybody, but we got to get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done through spay and neuter in the dog and cat world. Okay, today we're going to do John Prine's Speed of the Sound along with us. Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
3, 4. You come home early. Come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight, you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. But I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a word and a guilty spine. How can a love that will last forever get left so far behind? What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. The guitar. Shame and a dreadful sorrow across the evil land today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world come over you? Heaven's name has you done. Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. John Prine, neat song. Please everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats. Let's get a hold of conception in the dog cat world. We'll be back tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Aaron.